Hello guys, we are back to another video. So guys, this is today video. Today video title has first time PC builder. How PC part picker can help you customize your rig. So guys, please subscribe my channel and like my video and share with the other friends and comment please. So because today video title is very interesting and knowledgeable for you, so please subscribe and like my video and share with other friend and comment please. So let's start the video. First time PC builder, how PC part picker can help you customize your rig. PC part picker like well set panel and logical engagement is a compression shopping website that can help save you time and money has you wide into the world of the PC building. Have you decided to take the plug and build your PC on PC? Maybe you are tied to the boat where that comes on pre-built PCs. Perhaps you have a friend assigned to piece of their own built with your reason it can be hard to know where to start. There were a reason like PC part picker comes in handy. Here how to native to website and pick out the parts you need to build your dream PC. So guys, please subscribe my channel and like my video. First developed by Philip Kilcher in 2011 and registered in 2015. A PC part picker like real estate, pathology, and logical is a comprehensive shopping website, but it is not a direct super, which means it's not a limited has some like new base PC builder tools. You can look up a particular part, compare it across a number of different retail like Amazon, Best Buying, the and New Gig, and track the price over time to make sure you getting the best deal. The site can also track compatibility with different parts, limiting the accounts of returns and refund you will need to deal with. If you are not sure that to pick into your build, there are two places to start. Build guide and design by the PC part picker team to express contain a try to PC builds for the bootcut a home office build of around $500 to central gaming stream build that will cost you about $3,000. Opening a build guide will give you a rundown of what each component in the build is and why they were selected for that particular machine. Under complete until build, you can also view the build the user have made a PC. A part picker see the include components, a full price breakdown, and any additional notes. There are also a number of filtering options that can help you can't turn your search of a particular build by sign in. So guys, this is a today video, so please subscribe my channel and like my video and share with other friend and comment please.